formwork. We have here the mezzanine floor. Have here MPI, MP9. Wait, there is another. Go check the takeoff. Have MP3 here. For internal, we will add for example this one. Then column is, then we have to add this. So the calculator. set this also plus الشعارات مالتهم ثلاثة هبات plus number 3 yes 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 and here also look all this, can just take this dimension okay this matters okay and here هذا أرات نظر تلزق let's take it by them this is mp3 yes this is mp2 prime mp3 so or we will make it like this so استنطر immediately with the meter let yes سدست نظر yes سدست نظر yes yes that أنا missed. هي سدست لزيمة هي سدست سيبازا با the height, make it here, and then we will see the others one by one. And then we have MP3 prime, just or make it by 2 even, not 3, like from here and here. For the external you can okay, take the external more, all of them, all the size. Like here with the column, but for the internal without the columns, minus the columns. So if we do the external, will be like relative 0 سلسامست plus سدست relative 8 plus سلسامست plus سدست relative 8 plus missed relative 3. This is for the external, you will add it here. Another same axis. Okay. One and ثلاثة. And then for the external we see the silsa and then غزال. Okay, we just let me add another and the specification external. Okay. كذا MP3 prime is the same for the all. MP3 كذا MP5 MP7 MP3 prime here, you know. For the whole backup the same step, external internal 9 12 13 8. Okay, here is tel ZTEL 55. think مولو mezzanine floor. 26, 27, 55. yeah, مولو no مولو. Anyhow, the beret is for each one, for the beams, for the mezzanine floor here, show you, and for each floor also, not just ground floor beams and all the beams I used to say before we done the slab. Now this is the beams, beret معناتها, not formwork. Also formwork you can take it from this drawings. Okay, battery switched off. I will charge it and then continue. There is also I think in the stairs and ramp. For more payment, for a wall, for more. So also from here you can take for more of the ramp. RP1 is the same size. RP1. They are like for ramp. Yeah, let's check it. One calculator. the ramp, the stairs, formwork, everything is the same. Slabs. You take the length and the width and the direction, the axis. It will close now. Anyhow, each one size. I think it's a mist. This if it's like here it will be this. Then the 0.4 is a multiplication. If it's about the concrete work, we will come to it. We will count it. Concrete work by meter cubed, but the formwork is by meter square. Here you can see the after you finish the whole, you add the total, the summation, and then you will know the total formwork by meter centimeter spinning and the total concrete work cubed, because متكفل is by meter square and by meter cubed per meter square per meter cubed. الداسة بقى ده إيجواجا ده material. So let's see another example. Have ramp 2, beam number 2. Let's check it here. RP2. Actually, this is bad without the order, because we go like this and then okay. Anyhow, we will check it. Let's measure it from here to here, exhaust, and then from here to here, the mist, and then from here to here, this. So استنى 0.5 plus mist into 8 plus subject another subject أسرع mist. Let's check it's here or not. No, this is nice about. Okay, I divided it. Let's see. RP1, let's check it first. It's either this one or this one. RP5, P4, or maybe this one is the not the ramp, it's the roof. So let's check it, or we will do it. And then let's check this one. Okay. It comes to the RP1 نستنتج 4 plus سدست نقطة 305 plus سدست نقطة 405 أسر السمنت. Okay, let's check it. أسر سدست reset. I didn't miss anything. Anyhow, let's calculate the external. Another sotana plus sotana diagonal plus here almost another sotana أسرع زباين. We check here. Anyhow, if it's a roof or the ramp, it's the same procedures of taking out for more quantity. You go by the name. Okay. Set this above. Thumbs up plus also let's see the files. Beam bar reinforcement. Okay, so let's check the file. Here keys. Beam formwork and concrete. This is the roof. Think it again. Let's, if it's like the ramp, it's the same procedures. You will come, you will write the type of the ramp, and then you will calculate like this internal external. Let's see. For this one, RP1 24 the internal, and then the external is somewhat plus distance of the time plus distance of the time plus okay, it's highest at this. I think this is for the roof, that's why it's then the same procedure. You write the type, ramp, RP or roof beam. Actually it's RP سنة هنا. and then access, and then you will write, for example, if it's RAM, because the file, I have a lot of files, I have to search. Let's pick more, and then we will just go by doing it again, because look, it's a lot. Bar, not this one. Actually, it's a lot, so we go for ramp formwork. See, maybe this one. Okay, this is the ramp. For the ramp, okay, yes, and then this is the, okay, I found it. So let's check it. Concrete formwork. If we have a slab, the slab is easy. You just calculate the length and the width, like here. So for the slab formwork, for all, if you take the length and the width of the slab. Maybe you need two sides. Then this is the width, and this is the length. Maybe it's a two side formwork you need. Okay, from here is cement. From here you can find it here is 5. Okay, axis E between 4 and 5. It's the same, I think, but let's see. DE between 4 and 5. This one. Okay. The arrangement in LNG, if you, it's the same procedures. It's 5, and then from here to here. Still, or take it as a 3. Why? Because here is easy safar. So as it's major, it's 3. So here 5 and 3. Plaza meter square, and then we go to EF prime. EF prime. So I began from here, okay, and then the same procedures. Safato is test, and from here to here is 5. 5 and test. You will take the length and the width. The ramp from one side for more. I don't know if it's from the bottom. We need for more. Yes, the top will be imulala concrete. Maybe the sides. It needs the sides in the ramp. It needs for more. So it's one item, one side. Okay, let's check. From F prime to G. Send Savat. This is Molo. Okay. To G prime. Let's check. To G. Okay, Levicha. Let's take the measurement. Levicha. From here, from the center. Okay. Cannot do like this, but I will try to do from 3, and then 5. all of them because here is about 5. It's better to take it by 5. And 5 maybe f prime to g. Okay, sticking till here, but if you take it till here is 6. Here it's must be fixed. Either we take mulu, it will be 6. Okay, صفاته actually here العيال here look it's more. Again, if you take it by 6 or if you take it by length of the breadth, it's better. In the middle, like sabat, it's better. Why? Because it's formwork. If you cut it, here it will be thin and here it will be بعد بوتين oral. So by the large it's better. You take the size sabat. Malat, if you take from here it's better. It's 5. Okay. Just from here to here it's 5, yes. And then 5. The length, which is this one. So try to make it by the large size, because when you cut it will affect هذا بوتا ينورال كذا concrete سمولا بقى it will be pulled. Let's check. It's 5, yes. Okay, axis from J to G prime. You know, this is already tasarto. If you can use takeoff for checking, you can use takeoff also for putting the data. It will help you in everything, the takeoff detail. You go by axis and then you find them back at delicate. Check Lamarck, the time it's very effective. From here to here, from here to here, it's this length. And then 5. Let's check it. Yeah. Okay. From here, okay. This is not a 5 because Safato Kazim, it's from here. It's Tenish Kafila. So it's 6, yes. Normally it's 6. If we go by the beret size, or like this, it's 6, yes. And then till here is the other one. So from here to here it's 2, or not inside the beam. It's better inside the beam. It's 2. 2 by this another 5. It must be like this. So here it must be 2.5 number. Yes, this G prime and I. Okay, let's see. Check it. Yes, we go by the beret. It's the same. From here to here we need the formwork. It's 5, and then Zavato it's 9.300. Okay, why it's decided like this? We take from here to here. Okay, not without the beam. It's 8 metal, 9, and then 5. But if we must take from here to here, because formwork chapnel in the center, so it's better to take 9. Here 9, it's better. And 5. Okay. Go to the area for slab. So this is the slab. Mulu panel, wooden panel, poly wood silhona. لكيت لك لو length and width and which side شكله and in the bottom it will be then the top concrete maybe side also yes vertical formwork anyhow the side system which maybe بسلسة 0 سلسة height even 0.4 عند زيرو هنا depends on how do you know the thickness of the ramp 5 مليمتر thick thick wearing surface الذي 0 sost and then the width maybe the height and the thickness the length you will take it from the length of the ramp مولو the Z for example sost نطبها the height 0 sost this is from the sides from here and here formwork كيف لقيت constant quantity معناته from the sides so you check the thickness and then the length في puzzle then you know now the size of the ramp formwork and then the slab is the line and the width and then okay concrete ሰው ይሞላ ምንም የሚፈስ ነገር የለም so let's see now the beam RB1 so either okay axis 5 between C and G so we take the beam from here B and G C and G okay. C and G this beam also okay so they took RB here RB so from the drawing not just from the detail from the drawing مولو so RB is here okay this is the beam the size is from here مولو all this as I said yes before and then if you take the length it's the same look 17 and then هولات and then مالت 8 هولات das ist cement 9 here and the 9 and the 9 here yes rather than ramen and then 5 higher okay the higher arat ramen or the higher missed because we have here then if it's another anyhow مولو size of the RP1 the length okay 3 okay C and G okay if it's two side here the height they said 8 let's check to the beam but maybe actually I decided to be 8 0.8. I think it's very service. Okay, it's okay, the differences. Anyhow, for the beams, as I said before, we check mulu length, and then the thickness of the beam, or the decided thickness to make the formwork from the two sides or from the beams also. We have also RP3, it's here. I think this one, I don't know. And we have 3 items, RP3, it's the same size, it's the same. So check the length from the here to here. It's 5 because we make it 4. Yeah, it's 5. And then RP3, and then the length why this either this one or this one. Anyhow, the length, because the puzzle was the length must be 5. Logically, here is 5, not كذا 3 item nacho يبقى زي ما قال. Okay, because we have revised the drawings I don't know which drawing is this, but the procedure is like, and then sometimes also what they can you go hala check me out go to actually check it because it's not the final one, but procedure of I'm showing you the procedures how to take the formwork quantity. We have here RB4, here we have here and here split, so the length will be 5. Maybe from the two sides, okay, because it's beam. Here is internal, there is no external here, but here there is external, and here is internal. So maybe take the whole length as external, the internal by which so it's better to take it from the drawing, or from the detail is easier. From the detail, so we take the takeoff from the drawing, but if you have the detail it's easier. So here also 5, here from two sides, and here also from two sides. I think we add the two side length, and then we also know the height, that's why there's the anyhow like on here it's 3 items, but from two sides, that's why it was more. I have to make this again like demeral, like this is internal, and then I will put another one the same length it will be higher as it was before. So let's higher cement من the length demeral بهولت side look هولت side هناك تدمره, and that's why it comes like this. كذا item توازا, that's why this is the explanation. Okay, G, it's you have from here formwork and from here formwork, then concrete يملا. So we have 2 internal. For more, it's here, it's better. Like you have this side internal, and then this side external. But check the both of the location. Maybe internal, it's not external. Now, those are beams are inside the ramp, so they are internals. So this one may be external, it's to the outer surface, and this also is external. But those here in the middle, they are from the both side of the formwork. They are internals. So تدمروا كذا يبقى ظل height. Okay, now we understand it. هون okay, ramp 4. The same thing, تدمروا from the two sides, height, and then يبقى ظل بقى 0 كذا 2 item هلا اهو ramp 4 RP4 كذا بقى access. You can do like this, or for each levicha from each side you say 1 internal, 2 internal, and then 6 نطب 8 مس تبقى 8 and then 6 نطب 0 نطب 8 levicha كذا لقيتها or in this. Okay. RB5, and then check which sent item alla. RB4 we have 2. RB4 here and RB4 here 2. So for the final we have RB5. Let's check it. Here's the 5 here from internal, and there is external. It's actually the same size. There is no like extension here or here, it's yeah. So we just take the length of both. يبقى 0.8. Let's check RP5 axis 5 between G prime and I prime. Okay, from here to here. It's the time. The time plus the time actually. يبقى ظل 0.8. Not this length. Maybe they add this one. Yeah, from here. They take from here. Yes, like. Okay, RB5 from here to here. J prime to I prime. Yes, J is here. Okay. So from the external, because it's extended to here, you will see external and internal. Yes, this is correct. So we'll take the external this size and the internal this size without the colons. So yes, كنصال it will be أسرع ولا تندثر. And this is 0.8 item number is 1. RP is 1. Layla RP 5. Okay. Total area of the beam work. You take the summation of all the beam formwork per meter square, and for the slab levicha total, and then you will know the total area. You will buy the Bollywood. Some Bollywood they are already fixed and the size, like you can buy them. Some they are but there is also a new design we saw in the site. They came and they explained to us subcontractors. There's a joint, there is movable joints, there is for the one part to other part, and there is techniques for it, for joining the joints of the formwork. for preparing the formwork. It must be very in a good technique so that the concrete سمولة بهذا من مشكلة عند. Okay, this is the ramp. You can just write the specification and you go from 1 to 1, from first basement to ground floor. This is the shape. And then from fourth to first basement, you are in the specification take off sheet. Then you start draw the details in the take off sheet. You can use the drawing or you can use here. It's here by detail. And it's better from here, but to check if it's external or internal, like on here RP2. Let's check RP2. RP2 is here. It is external also. So you take external and internal size. Either you add them both and then you puzzle, or you say external and internal and external. But here for RB4, RB3, here RB4, there you have external, but it's the same size, but it's not affected. Or R because it's not extended to other span. Here again, here also, it's there inside. They are internals. You just add, it's the same shape length. You don't have to divide them external or internal. Okay. You just say from two sides. Sent item. The basal by the height. Then back the total. And this is the details one by one. RB2, RB3, RB4. Or use this only. See, this is the beams. RB1, RB2, RB3, and they start drawing the details. Okay, so we finished for the ramp. We will check the roof that I opened it first. Later on, I have to okay. I have the drawing actually of the roof. Let's see the roof. Okay. Just this drawing for the roof. Okay. If it's the slab, you can take the slab easily from the drawings. Like here, the detail is drawing. Formwork slab of the roof. You will just you have beams. Okay, RB5, RB. Look, it's written here one by one span by one span. Check it and then take the length and then check the thickness of the slab and then or the beam, and then the detail actually in the note work, the design, you will see the right thickness of the beams and this. For the slab, okay, it's the slab. You take the length from here to here without the beam, and then you take the width because it will be bottom line. From the top, you concrete, and then at the edge is the beams. So the beam, you take the length and width. RB2 mallet. It's all this is RB2. All this RB2. RB5 prime. And is, you know, we will check the roof more in detail. I want the detail. I will search the detail of the beam, then I'll explain it. So bye bye.